Today, we're going to be building an AI assistant inside of Telegram that's going to be able to answer any single question you have. It's also going to be able to answer it with high accuracy. And this workflow right here is super duper powerful and it's real easy to set up. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And the tools that are needed are OpenAI and then Telegram. And real quick, guys, if you want this workflow, then join my group down below and you can get this workflow plus all my other workflow templates for super cheap. Well, let's get to building. All right, to start off, we go over here to the first section. And in this section right here, we have it processing the Telegram request. So basically, whenever we send a message or a voice note to Telegram, it's going to analyze this right here. And after it's analyzed, it's going to turn our voice note or text into text. And then it's going to send the context to the AI agent. And if we send a voice note, it's going to transcribe the voice note and then send it to the AI agent as well. And after it gets to the AI agent, it's going to go through ChatGPT's OpenAI. And it's going to figure out what the answer is. And after it's finished answering, it's going to finally output to Telegram. And this is actually super simple to set up, guys. And real quick, if we go down here to OpenAI, this is the prompt that we're using. The prompt is, you are a personal assistant that helps users to fulfill their request. When you're asked to perform a task on the current day, please use the current time and date. And we have it set to now, so the bot knows what today's time and date is. And if we scroll down even more, we got the output right here. And for the output, you should output the result and don't include any link. Just mention where you added it to. And it's actually a pretty simple prompt. And guys, once again, you can get this whole entire workflow template inside my group today. It's super cheap, so make sure to join up. It's the first link in the description. And real quick, before I show you how to set it up, let me show you how it works. So we're going to activate this workflow right now, just like so. Let's press got it. And now let's head over to Telegram. And by the way, ignore these messages right here because these were from my other AI assistant I made yesterday. Well, to start off, let's do something simple. Let's say, what is today's date? And let's send that to the bot. And just like that, spit out today's date. And we can also send voice messages just like this. What is 6,000 times 2,000 plus 18? And let's send that over right now. And we're going to see this answer. And look at that. This is the smartest AI assistant in the whole world. And guys, you can do a whole lot more than this. But first, I'm going to show you how to set this up. And then we can mess around with it even more. So let's create a new workflow right now. And now that we have our new workflow, we can import our template by going to these three dots right here. So click on that and then press import from file. And then find the JSON file and then double click on it. And now we import our workflow right here. And guys, now it's time to show you how to set this all up. And actually, it's pretty simple. So first off right here, we have to set up the Telegram. And for this, I thought it was going to be pretty hard, but it's actually not. All you have to do is go back to Telegram, then go up here to the top left, and then search for the bot father. And once you see that, just click on the bot father, then type /new bot. And it says, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to say nerd assistant. So let's send that right now. And good. Now we got to type a username for the bot. And guys, for the username, you have to have bot at the end of it. You can either put underscore bot or just bot. So I'm just going to name it this. I just typed a whole lot of random stuff. And now that it's done, you should get your API key. And guys, do not share this with anyone because if you share with them, they will be able to hack your account. So copy this right here and then head back to n8n and double click on the Telegram just like so. And then go up here, then click on this and then press create new credential. And then you want to paste the access token in right here. And after you paste it in, just press save in the top right. And I'm not going to do that right now because I already have mine in it. But after you do that, guys, you're going to want to double click on here and then select the account you're going to use. And you're going to want to do the exact same for every single Telegram one you have here. So double click on here as well and then choose your Telegram account. And finally, for this one right here, add the output, double click on that and then choose your Telegram account. And now it's time to set up the ChatGPT. And this is the brains of the bot. So to set this up, you want to go to this website, platform.openai.com. Then once you're on there, you want to sign up for your account and then go to the left side and press billing. And after you press billing, you're going to want to add credit to your balance. So I say add $10 or so. But if you're doing this at scale, you may want to add a couple $100s. So add $10, guys. And after you do that, head over here to the left side and press API keys. Now that we're on this page, go up here to the top right and press create new secret key. And guys, once again, do not share this key with anyone because if you share it with them, they'll be able to hack you. So you can name your key whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Telebot and then choose your project. You may have to create a new project. So I'm going to choose the default one and then press create secret key. And now that you created that, just press copy and head back to n8n. Now that you're on n8n, double click on the ChatGPT right here. And once again, press create new credentials and then paste in your API key right here. And after that, press save. And I already have an account, so I'm not going to do that. But go up here and select your OpenAI account. And after you select your account right there, you're going to want to select it right here as well. And guys, by the way, for this, we're going to be using ChatGPT 4.0, which is one of the newest models. And just like that, you now successfully have an AI assistant that can answer any question you have in your whole entire life. And to use this, you want to activate the workflow by pressing this button right here. And once it's activated, guys, you can head over to Telegram. And then there should be a button down below on the Telegram bot that says start. So press that button. Now it should answer any of your questions. So as a test, let's ask it, who was the first president of the United States? And let's send that right now. And it said the first president of the United States was George Washington. And he served from a president in April 30th, 1789 to March 4th, 1797. And honestly, this is super cool, guys, and very helpful. Like if you're on the run, you can whip out Telegram and send a voice note and be like, what is the healthiest food to eat at McDonald's? And you know what? I'm going to ask that right now. What is the healthiest food to eat at McDonald's? And let's see what it says. It said when looking for healthier options at McDonald's, some choices might include the grilled chicken sandwich. Okay, honestly, that's pretty good. The salads, the fruit and maple oatmeal, bagel. I've never heard of that one before. The Egg McMuffin and apple slices. And I'm not gonna lie, those are some pretty healthy options. And that was how to build an AI assistant in Telegram. And once again, if you guys want this template from me, make sure to press the first link down in the description, and you can buy this template plus all my other templates for pretty cheap. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and click this video on the screen right now, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.